Hi there students. I had a question to make a video about the consonant cluster STS. Now I think this consonant cluster normally only appears at the end of words. So words that end ST that are either a verb or a plural. So for example, busts, sts. So how do we make this consonant cluster? Okay, first of all we make the S sound. By doing that, you put your tongue right at the front of your mouth and just behind your teeth and blow through it. S, t. And then you bring your tongue up. T, s, s, t, s. Okay, to make the t, you go t. You blow and it blows it down. Okay, so bursts, busts, lusts, costs, wastes, toasts. Okay, so tss, sts, 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 sts. The air is coming out from round the sides of your tongue. S, t, s, s, t, s. And that's how you make this consonant cluster. S, s. Having said this consonant cluster only appears at the end of words, I'm sure you'll be able to find some examples where it doesn't, and then I can add to the video. Okay, so to make this s sound, remember, put your tongue underneath, bring it up for the t, blow to make the t, and it comes down again to make the s again. So, costs, roasts, toasts. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.